Relax your fist.
Ooh. Uh-oh.
Oh, I got it.
You got it? Wow.
You got it.
Have a wonderful day, sir.
Good, not to worry.
Nice.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
super professional.
Bye-bye.
Really, guys? I told you. Like a year ago,
Yeah.
I was in hospital and
Yeah.
they stepped me like 6 times.
Well,
Probably 7.
well, if you're really sick, though, you know, if you're dehydrated, it's hard to find your veins, so could be a reason for it. All right, buddy. That's that.
All right.